When you receive updated drawings from an architect or designer, you can manually insert slip sheets using the Insert Page option. However, when you need to update large files, it's often faster with the Batch Slip Sheet feature. This feature automatically inserts new pages or replaces existing pages with updated revisions for a group of documents. It provides several auto-matching options to make pairing up slip sheets easier. To get started, go to Batch, then select Slip Sheet. In the Current File section, click Add, then select one of the options from the drop-down menu. Since our original files are already open, we'll select Open Files. Next, under the Revised Files section, click Add, then select Files and use the File Explorer to locate and select the revised drawings. Once you've selected the files, click Open. Then choose how the files should be matched from the drop-down menu, or click Advanced for customized options. Generally, matching by file name and page index works well when you're working with single-page files. For multi-page files like this one, it's typically better to match by page label or page region. Next, click Match Pages. The Batch Slip Sheet summary will appear, identifying matched pages and any unmatched sheets. Unmatched files will be ignored. To remove a file, select it and click Remove. Finally, from the Options section, choose whether to replace current pages with revised pages or to insert the revised pages before the current ones. When you choose to insert the revised pages, Revu will automatically stamp the old pages with Superseded, which allows you to view the previous versions against the revisions for quality assurance and control. Additionally, you have options to copy existing markups to the revised pages, unflatten any existing markups before they are copied, which will unflatten markups on the original drawing and copy them to the revised drawing, allowing them to be edited after copied, or flatten markups after they are copied, which will maintain the original editable markups on the previous version while flattening the markups on the revised drawing. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click OK. The summary box will display the results and give you the options to generate a detailed report. Finally, click OK to finish.